Okay, the grasshoppers, we catch them in the afternoon because they're very easy to catch them. Impossible to catch them in the middle of the day because they jump a lot, so that's the reason.
These are
So when you
wild.
catch them in the morning?
In the morning or in the afternoon, very early morning, because they're very stupid, they cannot jump.
Sorry.
Okay.
They're not farmed. Those are wild.
No, they're
Grasshoppers are not
wild.
very bright.
Here, if you have a grasshopper in your garden, they eat everything. So you have to be careful to eat the grasshoppers. Okay. And those grasshoppers, we catch them in the afternoon because they're very easy, So then let it stay in the night to poop. That's the Oaxacan way, okay? Then from that, we put it in boiling water. Just put it in and take it out, okay? In a lot of English reading books, they say that we cook it in water for 10 minutes. No, we just put it in, take it out right away. Then from that, we put it into a cazuela with a lot of lemon juice, salt, and garlic until they get dry like this, no water. Okay? So that's the way we do it. Yes.
Salt. That's something like salt.
Be careful for chili. Always check the little ones because if you eat a piquin, you die. I eat a piquin last time and I feel like I was dying because the heat of the piquin gets in your head. Okay?
Okay, let's do it.
That works really well. This is also
Little grasshopper.
Uh-huh.